Hello everyone, welcome to the chemistry class. Today I am going to explain the chemical properties of aldehydes and ketone. In last video I already discussed about the complete methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Before starting the chemical properties of aldehyde and ketone, first of all I would like to explain the nature of carbonyl compounds. Everybody knows about it, the carbonyl compound. Exactly, what is carbonyl compound? C double bond O is a carbonyl compound. When we talk about the carbon atom present on the carbonyl compound, the hybridization is sp2. Due to sp2 hybridization, the structure is planar. Clear? When nucleophile acts on carbonyl compound, and we know that the oxygen is a more electronegative than carbon, minus and plus, and pi electron is slightly shifted towards negative charge, means oxygen acquires negative charge while carbon acquires partial positive charge. When nucleophile acts on the carbonyl compound, nucleophile which carries negatively charge. Clear? So obviously it is clear, nucleophile acts on the electrophile, means carbon atom, C nucleophile and O minus. Here the double bond turns into single bond. Now the hybridization of the carbon in the product is sp3 and the structure turns into tetrahedral. Clear? This is a nucleophile addition reaction. When we talk about the next reaction, means reaction with hydrogen cyanide, and we know that hydrogen cyanide dissociate H plus and Cn minus. Clear? Whenever any carbonyl compound is reacted with hydrogen cyanide, then it gives cyanohydrin as a chief product, main product, due to addition reaction. How? For example, when aldehyde means RCH double bond O reacts with hydrogen cyanide HCN, then O minus CH plus, then H plus Cn minus. Clear? And cyanide being a nucleophile attached to the carbon atom while hydrogen attached to the oxygen atom, and it forms RCH, Cn and OH. This product is obtained from aldehyde, that is called aldehyde cyanohydrin. Clear? When we talk about the ketone, when ketone is reacted with the hydrogen cyanide, minus plus H plus Cn minus H and Cn. Clear? R, COH and Cl. This is called ketone cyanohydrin. Clear? This is a very important chemical reaction, means nucleophile addition. Now the next chemical reaction is reaction with alcohol. Clear? When aldehyde RCH double bond O reacts with the alcohol, alcohol is ROH. Clear? When alcohol gets dissociated, it gives RO minus and H plus, and obviously it gives the addition reaction with the carbonyl compounds, either aldehyde or ketone. Clear? Means oxygen minus and carbon positive charge, because the pi electron is slightly shifted towards oxygen atom. So nucleophile attacks on carbon atom while hydrogen ion attacks on oxygen atom, so form additive compounds, means RCH, OH and OR. This compound is called hemiacetal. Why it is called acetal? Because it is obtained from aldehyde molecules and it is unstable compound. Clear? It is unstable, which further reacts with ROH, which further reacts with one molecules of alcohol. Clear? To form, listen, OH and H. Water is removed and it forms RCH. OH and OR means OR and OR. And this compound is called acetal. Clear? Means it has a reversible reaction in the presence of HCl. Clear? In the same manner, when we talk about ketone, clear, means ketone reacts with the alcohol ROH in the same manner. It gives the addition reaction across the double bond O minus C plus RO minus H plus. So RO minus, being a nucleophile, attacks on the carbon atom of ketone. C, clear, means OR and hydrogen combines with oxygen OH. It is called hemiketal. Why ketal? Because it is obtained from ketone molecules, which further reacts with 1 mole of alcohol ROH. So H and OH, water is removed. Got it? So that's why RRO means C, OR. This compound is called ketal. Means ketal is obtained after reaction with a ketone and alcohol. These are the characteristics of nucleophile addition reaction. Clear? Because alcohols and hydrogen cyanide gives addition reaction across the double bond. In the same manner, when we talk about sodium hydrogen sulfide, which also gives the addition reaction across the double bond of aldehyde or ketone. Now the next chemical reaction is reaction with Grignard reagent. This reaction is also very important for conversion purpose. Clear? Means RMGX. RMGX means alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide is called Grignard reagent. Clear? Listen. Number first condition. When we use formaldehyde formula HCHO. Clear? When formaldehyde reacts with the Grignard reagent RMGX, RMGX means alkyl magnesium halide. Clear? Reacts with formaldehyde. Clear? Formaldehyde can be written as HCHO. Clear? Means O minus C plus. Clear? RMGX gets dissociated in the form of R minus and MgX plus. Why plus? Due to magnesium metal. Clear? So R minus and MgX positive are added across the double bond of formaldehyde and it gives RCH2O and MgS attached with oxygen MgX. Clear? Now hydrolysis in the presence of acidic medium. In such condition, the bond is broken between oxygen and magnesium metal and water gets ionized H plus and OH minus. H plus combines with the oxygen and OH minus combines with magnesium. So it forms RCH2OH and MgOHX. Clear? RCH2OH is called 1 degree alcohol. Clear? Listen, the key point is when we use formaldehyde with Grignard reagent, then primary alcohol is obtained. Clear? When any other aldehyde are used except formaldehyde. Second condition. Now the second condition is aldehydes are used except formaldehyde. Clear? In such condition, for example, like RCH double bond O reacts with RMGX. Now O minus CH plus R minus MgX plus R minus attacks with a carbon atom while MgX attacks with oxygen atom and gives addition reaction across the double bond. So it forms RCH. Carbon combines with the R and oxygen combines with MgX. Clear? And on hydrolysis, in the presence of acidic medium, the bond is broken between oxygen and magnesium. So hydrogen in the side of oxygen and OH with magnesium. So it gives RCHOH. Clear? And MgOHX. And this is called 2 degree alcohol. Now listen, when formaldehyde is used, then we get primary alcohol. When any other aldehyde are used except formaldehyde, then we get secondary alcohol, 2 degree alcohol. Now when ketone are used, ketone is, in the general formula of ketone is RC double bond OR. When ketone reacts with formaldehyde, ketone is RC double bond O reacts with Grignard reagent. Clear? Then we know that O minus C plus and RMGX R minus and MGX positive. Obviously it gives addition reaction across the double bond. So R C O MgX. And on hydrolysis means H3O plus in the presence of acidic medium, the bond is broken. Similarly, between oxygen and magnesium, it gives H plus and OH minus, and R COH and MgOHX are obtained. Means when the ketone reacts with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis, it gives 3 degree alcohol. The Grignard reagent is only the method by which we can get primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. So this reaction is very important in order to convert for carbonyl compounds into alcohol. For primary alcohol, formaldehyde is used. For secondary alcohol, any other aldehyde is used except formaldehyde, and for tertiary alcohol we use ketone molecule. Now the reactivity of aldehydes and ketone, this is a very important for reasoning based question, for board purpose as well as competitive purpose as well. Clear? No, we know that the reactivity of organic compound can be explained on the behalf of GOC, means inductive effect, resonance effect. Clear? When we talk about inductive effect and resonance effect, because in aldehydes and ketones, either inductive effect due to the R, means aldehyde is RCHO. Due to the R, it shows plus I effect. Clear? And we know that reactivity is inversely proportional to stability. Now when we talk about the reactivity of aldehydes and ketones, initially CH3CHO. CH3CHO is more reactive. Why? Because only one methyl group is present. Due to one methyl group, it shows plus I effect. Only for one methyl group. Clear? Now, so the CH3CHO is more reactive as compared to CH3 C double bond O. Here two methyl group are present, so this compound is more stable than this compound, means ketone is more stable than aldehyde. That's why aldehyde is more reactive than ketone. Clear? By this formula. Clear? Means due to 2 I effect plus I effect. And we know that the resonance stabilization, clear, when we alkyl group, methyl group is replaced by benzene, so CHO, this benzene is restabilized by resonance factor. Clear? And this compound is called benzaldehyde. Clear? Now COCH3. When we talk about this compound, the name of this compound is acetophenone. You have to learn this compound, the name of this compound, because this is very important. And this compound is the reactivity of this compound is explained on the behalf of the resonance factor of benzene as well as inductive effect through methyl group. Clear? And the least reactive is C double bond O. This compound is called benzophenone. Clear? Means reactivity is inversely proportional to the stability. This is the order of reactivity. Clear? And the reverse order of this compound is the stability. Clear? This is based on the reasoning based, means this question is generally asked for the reasoning based questions. Clear? Means first number acetaldehyde is CH3CHO. Now acetone, benzaldehyde, acetophenone and benzophenone. These are the reactivity order.